most importantly, I need you guys' help for my next Hermes Quota bag wish. We have a haul. This bag is empty. But for the dramatics of this video, I did need to place a few things on order, so they finally arrived. Therefore, I thought I could sit down, have a little chit chat video with you all and share with you what I picked up. However, before we get into that, I do want to make a little note and kind of get you guys' feedback. Please, 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 anything that you have to share, I appreciate it. So I have been going down a deep rabbit hole as to what I want next from Hermes, and I think I did like a chit chat video, so I'll leave that linked at the end of this one. What is this thumbs up situation? But I don't know if I mentioned it there, but I know I've been thinking about it and I would love to be able to get offered a special order. I feel like I have a really good trifecta for my collection. Will I ever add any other pieces? Maybe. But as of right now, I'm very content with the pieces that I have, the colors, the combinations, so on and so forth. However, obviously, as the handbag lover that I am, that I'm sure you guys are as well if you are here, being able to create your own personal handbag from such an amazing brand, I mean, for me, it's like the top of the top kind of situation. So I'm really hoping that, you know, I can kind of speak with my SA and, you know, let her know about that so that she keeps me in mind if the opportunity were to come. With that being said, where I need you guys' help in is helping me with the leather. I recently saw a beautiful content creator, influencer, whatever it is that you want the term to be, on Instagram that I follow. I'll pop up her handle because you guys should follow her too. She recently got a special order in Chevre. It is a mini Kelly in Rouge Ash. I think I've shared this with you guys before, but I'm not doing a mini Kelly. I don't want a mini Kelly. A mini Kelly doesn't call my attention. So for a special order, I would definitely go a Birkin route. Again, Birkin girly over here. So I have been going down a deep, deep, deep rabbit hole with Chevre. I've seen a few Birkins in Chevre, but I haven't seen a lot. I feel like a lot more people lean towards the Kelly option. But regardless of the fact, I want you guys' opinion, your feedback. If you've had any sort of piece, whether it's a Calvi in Chevre, I want to hear about it. Please, please, please let me know what you guys think. With all that being said, let's get into sharing what we picked up. This is a kind of a his and hers sort of haul. So I went in looking for, I think, 1 or 2 things, and then my husband went in looking for some things as well. So let's start off with the kind of like smaller little options. And actually, let's bring this one into the frame also, because this was one of the ones that I was waiting to get via mail. And I'm sure if you are seeing all the wrapping on this piece, you might have a guess of what it could be. It's definitely something a little bit more fragile. So here is the little box, and I try to honestly have these things undone. I feel like you guys have seen 1,010 videos of people opening and undoing boxes, but this one, like I said, it just came in the mail and I just, oh my god, it's perfect. I just got it yesterday. So I picked up the, I don't know what the exact formal name of this is, but it is in the mosaic and the palladium or the silver combination. Isn't it beautiful? So we recently kind of redid a little bit of our, you know, furniture. So we got new furniture for our room, and I feel like it's still lacking a few little details. And I wanted to add this piece on my nightstand. So for this, I wanted to add a prop, as I told my SA. So the next thing that I picked up was the Hermes cuticle oil, just because the packaging of their nail polishes and their top and base coat and things like that is so cute. So it's a very simple bottle, but you know, you have the little gold detail there. And I thought it would just look so nice. Kind of like, you know, very, what is it, demure. It's so pretty. I think they also have like a little tiny like little bowl that you can like throw your rings in and stuff. Maybe I'll end up getting that one later on. But yeah, this is what we got so far. I'm sure these two come at no surprise. One of them is a twillie. I actually went in looking for another one, which one of you, very bad influence, sent me on Instagram, and she did not have that one, but she had like the twillie drawer opened because she thought she had it, and when she had it open, she's like, no, I think we sold it. I saw this one and I was like, oh, but wait, can I see that one? And then she brought it out and I fell in love. The colors of this twillie are perfection. Look how beautiful this is. It goes with my Rouge H bag if I wanted to pair it that way, but obviously it goes with truffle. The ends, I believe, are in a tube. I have to pull up the actual name of the colors, but they're very, very similar to a tube. And then on the other side, which was what I loved, you do have just like the blue mainly focused on this end, and I love that because if I want to be a little bit, you know, pop of color, I'll do it on this side, which these colors are honestly absolutely stunning. But if I want to keep it a little bit more kind of like simple, I can just style it with the blue side. I honestly, my twillie collection is never ending. I don't feel like it'll ever end. On that note, let's get into the next piece, which is another silk item. So my SA, you know how all the Hermes SAs usually have some sort of scarf style? She was wearing this scarf. I actually complimented her on it and I'm like, I love it. But I had seen her wear this scarf before, so I thought that it was just like an old kind of combination. I'm walking through the display of like the scarves and I see it like right then and there, and I'm like, excuse me, is the scarf available? She's like, yeah, it is from like an older season, but we actually have one. And I'm like, oh my god, I need to get it because again, the colors are so perfect. And now thinking about it, it actually pairs with the twillie. So here is what we have. The scarf is primarily in this beautiful color, which is, I feel it's like a taupe. Let me see if it says it on the tag. No, it is that marron glass that they call it, but it's very, very similar to a taupe. So it is beautiful. And then you do have the Brides de Gala print on it in a very deep, rich navy. And I just realized that it also has some other shades of blue, which pair, BRB. Oh my god, I didn't notice how perfect, oh my gosh, I'm sitting on the tray. How perfect this scarf is. So you see it has other little blue details right there. I think you can pick it up. That pairs so perfectly with my blue Hydra garden party. I love it. And then obviously like the navy, I just feel is so good for like denim. We are heading on a Europe trip and the color palette is kind of like this. It looks kind of cute with this cardigan too. So I feel like this is going to be the perfect scarf to take with me for that trip. I loved it. I loved it. I'm going to pop up the details just in case you guys are interested or you want to search for it or something, or maybe your boutique has it. But yeah, I love it. And quick kind of fun fact side note, did you guys know that Hermes actually does the rolled hems by hand? I didn't know it was by hand. I know like the whole process of, you know, the illustrations and the printing process and all of that, but I didn't know that the rolled hems, it's actually one of like the signature things from Hermes scarf are done by hand. Therefore, like some of these scarves can take hours and hours and hours in making. So that, I mean, I was really impressed and like taken aback when I saw a video sharing that information. Okay, not too sure where I got left off because my DoorDash order arrived. I ordered crumble cookies. It's that time of the month, so please don't judge me or judge me. Anyways, I wanted to share, I didn't realize it, but look how perfect it matches with the twillie. Oh my god, with my Kelly. So good. So good. We're gonna dive into something that the hubby picked up. We actually went in looking for one or the other. We are going to Dubai later on this year and he wanted to get like a pair of sandals that he can wear like if we're going to grab lunch or just to hang out by the pool sort of situation. And we were debating between two. I will pop up the one that we went to look at also. He tried it on, didn't fit him well. It kind of gave him like what Oran's do to me, where I just feel like my foot looks weird in them. My husband has very slim feet, so we ended up trying out the sheep sandals, and those are the ones that he picked up in all black. And then as soon as we got home, I was like, I hope you know you have to break those in. And he's like, what are you talking about? I'm like, you better start wearing them, wear them with socks, walk with them, because I have heard a few horror stories. So I have him breaking them in, but he has been saying, again, I think we've had them already. We got them this weekend on Saturday. It is now Thursday, so about 5 days. So he says that they're already starting to feel a little better. So I'm hoping that by the time that we make it to Dubai, which is in a handful of months, you know, they'll be good to go. I was debating between the taupe or the black, but I do feel like for him in particular, like the black would just be a safe route to go. And then if he really, really likes them later on, we can go ahead and add the taupe. Okay, so leading into the last piece that we did pick up, and it's sort of like a little matchy-matchy situation. But what I really liked about these is that they do have that perforated detail, which I just feel like added a little bit of something to just a plain white sneaker. I tried them on in the boutique. They felt very, very comfortable. And I still had a little bit of kind of, you know, not like too much room, but enough, because when you travel, your feet do get swollen and so on and so forth. So I wanted to take that into consideration when deciding on the size. So then that's where my husband's gigantic box comes in. And I had originally thought about getting the sneakers, and I had told him about them, and I was like, how awesome would it be if we kind of get like matchy-matchy, you know, all corny and stuff. And even though there wasn't like a full white sort of combo that he did like, my SA showed us this combination, and I was like, oh, that's really nice, because my husband has 110 white sneakers. So I thought that this one was really nice because it gives him something different to add to his sneaker collection. Again, I will pop up the name of it just in case it calls you guys' attention, but it is this one here. And as soon as I saw them, I'm like, oh my god, if they were to have these in the women's section, that would be amazing. They have one that's sort of similar, but the shades are completely different. They look similar online, but they're not. But how nice are these? My husband, again, is a very kind of, as my essay calls us, plain Jane dresser. So he wears all black, or he wears all navy. He might wear like, you know, a kind of khaki pants, but with a white t-shirt. So these will go perfect, especially when he travels also, because we kind of keep our clothing very neutral, especially while we're traveling. So we're having a little matchy-matchy moment. I love it. I think it's gonna be so fun. These do have suede on them. So I will be spraying them with a suede protector that I actually bought for when I got my coach. Somebody on Instagram recommended a protector and I got it. I already sprayed the coach one, and I also sprayed my Parisa Wang. Since they are both suede, I live in Miami. It tends to rain just out of nowhere. And then obviously, since we are going to be traveling, we want to make sure that we protect these as well. So I will be spraying them as well. But I love them. I think they're super nice. I feel like for a man's sneaker, they make a statement, but like a nice statement, especially for, you know, again, how my husband likes to dress. So that does it for the little haul. Let me know you guys' thoughts on Chevre. Please, 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 again, just share all of your feedback, your opinions, anything like that. I don't think that Chevre is something that's very readily available to come around, like asking for a Chevre Birkin. I don't know if that happens, you know, as often as like a Togo or even another sort of leather. So that's the reason why I think that, you know, working towards kind of like that SO or special order would kind of be the route to go. Let me know what was your favorite piece of the haul. Let me know if you're eyeing anything from Hermes, or if you've added anything in your collection from any fashion house. I just love chatting with you guys and seeing what's new and just kind of catching up. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone.